shape.
Wow.
Wow. So I want to give you French slice.
Okay.
Your potato, your mashed potato.
Oh. Nice.
Yes, I like that shape.
Okay. Please, I need plates for salad. So now I want to do my cabbage. This is my cabbage. You can see she didn't cut this piece off. Because there lies the vitamins and minerals. This is the Pepsi. This is jealousy. This is vitamin C. For stomach upsets, this is what we need for catarrh and cold. So you see? I'm doing it so.
Okay. Then with the seed.
No, I'm not. I'm coming out. I will bring the seed. See that?
Okay.
Seed is coming out.
Okay. We have to be careful that the seed.
Yes. But the seed too is medicinal.
Uh,
But you just have to eat like 200 pieces before it can work. You have to eat 200 seeds before it can work. So do you really like everything you are seeing today, sir?
Great.
Okay. What's
Great.
that?
I said, do you really like everything you are seeing today, man?
Yeah.
So which one do
Seed is
you want to go
medicinal.
for?
This food processor.
Sir? Which one your family want to go for? Sir?
I said she should talk.
Okay,
Of
mommy.
course, this time now is the one that we talk.
Okay.
I've already said what I want.
Okay.
But you know the other side of it.
What's
is
this
morning.
one? Now?
Yes.
Eh?
This apple.
This one is separate.
This one is referral. You give me more people. One must give me more. So this one, you are not paying for it. It's not part of your item. Once you refer me, you even be the one that will book them for me. Yes. You book them for me, then I'll show them. Once they buy, I'll add it to your sets.
Okay, so it's for free.
It's free. And this one is 650,000. 650, so you can get it. Over my spoon.
Just like what you're doing now.
I'm using.
What do you want?
The spoon I'm using one of us. Please let me bring that knife.
You can bring a smaller one.
So this is my line. I will squeeze this. One is very good. Nobody have pasta, right? Thank God. It's for
No.
Nobody has also.
okay. One is for dressing, keeping of the jam. Two, it's preservative. But if, or do you have lemon in the house?
I have lemon.
Yeah, bring lemon in. Yeah, don't eat. You won't be able to eat again. No. Sorry, you're hungry. Sorry. Just give me one. Don't eat anything. You'll be fine now.
And the onions.
Everything's ready, so you eat.
Looks nice.
You sure?
Yes.
You ensure that your salad is rainbow.
For salad, you always put it in the fridge, right?
You can, no, not. If you want to eat it now, it's good.
Okay.
Because we are eating now, so no need. What do you notice, Emma? Do you notice anything? Aside that, the creamy.
I added the honey and the...
It's making
Not
dry. Not dry.
See?